Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be testing out the Kiss Edge Fixer Glued Max Hold. So if you don't know, SAWEETIE came out with a collaboration with Kiss, and apparently this edge control is bomb, so I just wanted to try it. So I got it from my neighborhood beauty supply store. It smells really good. I've heard a lot of people saying that it smells like Jolly Ranchers. It does. I like the lemon scent better than the watermelon. The watermelon just smells very artificial. Still smells good, I don't really like that smell. And I think they had cherry, lemon, watermelon, I think they had cherry, green apple, and maybe fruit punch or something like that. So they had a lot of different fruity options, but the real test is it gonna hold all day? Is it gonna flake up? Am I gonna look crazy? So I'm about to go to work. It's currently 1 o'clock and I'm not gonna get back home until 9, so it'll give me a full 8 hours to really show you guys if it works. I'm gonna be sweating because I have to go outside. So you'll really get to see a true test of this edge control. So I'm just gonna do a quick little bun. First I'm gonna slick my hair and then I'm gonna come back when I'm ready to really slay the edges. So fun fact, I love these thicker scrunchies, and since they're so thick, they don't break off your hair at all. And then I also got these jumbo ones. Just really loving them, so I thought I'd mention it. And literally, since my hair is so old, I'm not even gonna waste putting any product in it. I'm just gonna twist it up and put it in a bun. So as you can see, my hair is not slicked down, but it's down pretty well. So now is the true test. So a trick that I like is starting from the bottom and working my way up versus starting here and going down. I don't know why, I just randomly started doing that and I like it a lot better. Starting with a good amount. And you can already see that hold. That hold. Okay, now that it's nice and slick, I'm gonna just grab a little bit of gel right here, slick the rest down. And it's really important that when you're really slicking your hair down at nighttime, lift it up, wash it out, put some water, whatever you do. And I always put a strengthening and restorative serum on my edges so that I'm not just really manipulating my edges and not combating that. So this side is done. Slick AF, do y'all see this? Hello, hello, hello. All right, I'm gonna do the other side, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. So once you have it nice and slick to your liking, edges laid to your liking, then it's time to put on your scarf of choice, whatever you do, scarf, bonnet, however you lay your edges. You can see they're nice and slick. So you're just gonna lay it down to help reinforce the slickness of your style. And I always do this and then I finish getting ready and then I come back and then take it off before I leave. So I'll be back in 5 minutes to show you guys the final product, and then I will do check-ins throughout the day to show you guys how it's holding up. Literally, this stuff does not budge. Max hold, it's big facts. And so far, I can tell you that I really like it. I like the hold. I like your hair. If you start off with a little bit and then work your way up, then you can easily manipulate your hair. If you start off with too much too quick, it's gonna lock your hair into place however you have it. So that's a tip. Start a little bit so you can really manipulate it. Once you get the swoop that you like, then put a little bit more. So the real test will be, is there gonna be any flaking? Will it come up? So tonight I'll show you guys my edges takedown routine, or what I do when I am about to go to sleep. So I love it so far. It's just so slick. Final thoughts, I love it. I already filmed a clip, but then I realized that I forgot to show you guys how I take down my edges. So I'm gonna show you that, then I'm gonna play that clip so it'll be all nice and cohesive and wrap up the video. But it's nothing too complicated, but since they're nice and on my head, I like to take them off gently so I'm not ripping my hair out. So usually I use like a spray bottle full of water, but my spray bottle isn't in the room right now and I don't feel like going to get it. So I'm just going to be using some rose water. Literally, you can use whatever liquid you want. You can use like a curl refresher, like anything. So I'm going to wet my hair, like wet the edges. And you want to like get them moist so that they don't feel so stuck to your head. Oh, and then I had no flakes, none of that, no flakes. Balm edge control. So now that it's a little soft, I just take a rat tail comb and then I literally just like slide the rat tail comb under and just lift up the hair. So slide it under, lift up the hair. Slide it under, lift up the hair. And you want to be gentle when you do this, because if you're just digging, I'm sure you can find a way to like damage your hair. But if you're really careful, it literally just lifts up so easily. So that side's all done. Then I'm gonna do this side. And you can always start farther out versus starting like right in. So then you can gradually like lift it up. So then you're reducing the risk of like potentially ripping your hair out. So now that I got everything up, I know it looks like I look crazy, but it's good to make sure that you remove all this product at night so that your hair doesn't continue to dry out and then you break it off. So now that I'm like this, I'm gonna go take a shower and then I'm gonna come back and then apply my my Dr. Miracle's Temple Innate Grow Balm Serum. Literally, I swear by this stuff, it's so bomb. It's like the consistency of grease, like warm Vaseline. Just love it. So I'm gonna do that, apply it to my edges, put on my bonnet, and I'm gonna go to sleep. Hope you guys liked it, and now let's roll the next clip. So I forgot to do check-ins. Sorry. But you can see nothing's out of place. Like right here, it's a little messed up, but literally everything else is bomb. So highly recommend. Definitely get the SAWEETIE Times Kiss Edge Fixer Glued. It's bomb. So if you guys like this video, you want more reviews, hair videos, whatever, definitely drop a comment down below and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!